Hi, would you like to know how to cut melamine on an ordinary tabletop saw with a single blade? Stick around. I'm going to show you how to do that and get no chips on the melamine. Okay, so the first step is to get the blade a millimeter or two just above the surface. So what we're going to do here is we're going to do one pass, scribing cut, turn it over, do another scribing cut, raise the blade to just above the thickness of the melamine and do a final cut, and then we can have a look and see what the results are. I'm not sure how clear this picture is going to be from this sort of close-up, but hopefully you can see that there are no chips at all on the edge. Well, there are very tiny chips, but they are incredibly small. And this is quite an old blade, so it's fairly blunt.